What's up, team? Fullest this to get in me fullest. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a DIY deep conditioner. I'm going to use my olive oil mixture and herbs. This is an herb with olive oil mixed. I'm going to use an avocado. You guys know avocado is very good for the hair, has a lot of vitamin and protein to the hair. And I'm also going to use egg have a lot of nutrients and protein when it comes to natural hair. So I'm going to put everything in this container. I'm going to blend it. I'm going to make sure the container is secure, it's closed inside like very tightly because of the egg is liquidy. So I'm just going to break the egg. I'm just going to break it, put it into the container. I'm going to blend everything together. For me, that is much more simpler than mashing the avocado on its own. Just blend it. It's gonna make very smooth. So now I'm going to take my oil mixture. I'm going to take 2 spoons of this oil. This oil is very good for hair. I use this to moisturize my hair. I use this to massage my hair, and I also sometimes use it in my deep conditioner because it's like different herbs mixed together with olive oil. So now I'm going to cut the avocado. Make sure your avocado is very ripe, because the riper the avocado is, the better it is. It's more easier to blend. It's very smooth when it's riper. I picked this avocado from my own from the supermarket here. It's very nice. I like it. This is organic avocado. I picked it in organic store, so it's a bit expensive than the one you pick in a normal store, but you can definitely pick any avocado of your choice in a normal store. But I normally get my avocados from the organic store, so that's why I always have them at home. So after peeling off the avocado, you're gonna slice it into pieces and make sure you put everything. The reason why you slice everything into pieces, because just for everything to blend very smoothly, because you guys know when you blend avocado, it's become thick. Everything becomes thick, so when it's like not sliced smoothly, it's gonna be a little bit difficult to blend. But after putting everything, I'm just going to close this container, and now you guys can see the egg and the oil mixed together. So now I'm just going to blend. Everything's going to blend very smoothly. We're just going to maybe blend it for like 2-3 minutes. You guys can see everything is blend, but as you get blender, it gets a little bit thicker. So when it gets thicker, it's a little bit difficult to blend, and that is why you guys are going to see me, I'm going to like shake it so that make sure everything is smoothly blend. But yeah, everything is going to be very, make sure you blend it smoothly, that you don't have any bumps on the product, because when you do have the bumps, it's going to be difficult for you to wash your hair. But when you make sure everything is smoothly blended, you're going to look at it very well. And as you guys can see, everything is smoothly blend. When I'm done blending, I'm just going to put this into a container, shake it once more again. It's very thick right now, so it's not liquidy, but everything has blended very smoothly. Try to blend once more again. But make sure everything is blended smoothly. That's the reason why I cut the avocado into pieces, because you don't want the avocado to get chunkier. So now I'm going to put everything into this container. I'm just going to loosen the bottom, because if I feel like if I have to take it all the way from the top, I'm going to waste my product. So I'll just open the bottom. I'm just going to push everything down into the plates like that. As you guys can see, everything is just smooth. Everything blends very smoothly. This is very good. Sometimes I do use the deep conditioner from the store, but also once or twice a month, twice or once a month, I used to make, I do make my own deep conditioner at home, because you have everything in your kitchen. Everything you needed is in the kitchen. You have egg, you have avocado, you have other ingredients, you have banana. You can actually mix everything. You have honey. So these are stuff that I actually have in my kitchen, so I tend to use them a lot, not only on my own hair but also on the kids' hair, because this actually is for my daughter. I'm going to give her hair some treatment. As you guys can see, the avocado is blended very smooth. You guys can see everything is looking very smooth. It feels like a body moisturizer. As you guys can see when I'm blending it into my skin, how smooth it is. It doesn't have any chunk. It doesn't have any bumps in it. It blends in like body cream. So you guys can see how smooth, and this is very good for your skin as well. You can like blend it into your skin, leave it for a few minutes, maybe for a few minutes, and then rinse it out if you want to. But yeah, this is actually meant for my daughter's hair. So this is what it look like. This is how much I'm going to use this for for my daughters, two of the girls. I'm going to use it in their hair. But first I'm going to do the elder ones because she have a lot of hair. The younger one also do have a lot of hair. But this one do have a lot of hair, so I'm going to use this on her hair. This is just a spray bottle of water just to make sure the hair is a little bit loose. I'm going to take a wild tooth comb and I'm just going to comb the hair to make sure no tangles are in the hair. This is 2 years of growth. If you guys have been following me for a long time, you guys can see I cut my daughter's hair 2 years ago, and I have been using all this product on her hair, using my own natural oils, my ginger and onions oil. I have been using it on her hair, and you guys can see her hair is actually growing. And this is 2 years of growth, and actually I cut it again a little bit, just like we kind of trim the ends. So but I'm not really good at trimming ends, so I cannot cut too much, but still the hair has grown for 2 years. She have like a lot of hair, which I'm very happy about because just trying different stuff in your kitchen. And I'm just going to massage the product into the hair. I like to rub it all around and then take the hair separately little by little and then rub the product. I focus more on the ends and make sure the ends is very covered with a lot of product because the end is the oldest part of the hair. So you also want to put product on the hair and the ends so that the ends can be moisturized and get also a lot of vitamins. I'm just going to massage this into her hair and then I'm just going to leave it for like 30 to 1 hour. But actually this time we leave it for a long time. We leave it on for like 1.5 hours or so, 1 hour 30 minutes, because she was playing, she was doing other things, and I was also doing other things. And then when I was done, she just take shower, wash the hair, and then style it. So yeah, I'm just going to rub. It smells really good and it's very, very good for the hair. So I'm just going to massage everything into the hair. Take a little bit of the product, focus it more on the ends because the end is the oldest part, as you guys know. I'm just going to massage the product into the hair very well. Make sure everything is well massaged. Yes, massages. She really likes when I massage the hair. If I start massaging one place, she want me to massage the entire head. She was like, okay, this side and this side and this side. But I'm just going to do this massages for few minutes. Just massage all over for a few minutes, and then I'm going to take a little bit of the product, focus it more on the ends, and now I'm just going to wrap the hair, and I'm just going to let the hair sit down for half an hour. Wrap it, and then we're just going to take a shower cap and just put the shower cap over. Now I'm going to do the youngest one hair. I'm not going to show that, but I'm going to put a picture to show you guys how the hair looks. You guys can see she also do have a lot of hair. This is what the product look on in her own hair. So now we've washed the hair, I'm going to moisturize the hair. I've shown you guys this product that I picked up from the TK Maxx. I got this product there, so that's what I'm using to moisturize her hair. I've been using this product on my own hair and I really, really like the way it keeps my hair moisturized and leave my hair stay moisturized for pretty long time. So I have been also using it on the girls' hair just to give their hair moisturize, especially this one because her hair is dry. Her hair is dry, and when the hair get dry, it get bigger and bigger and bigger. When the hair is soaked, it looks like she have no hair on the head, but when it get bigger, it's crazy. So I'm going to buy this. I'm going to use this new product I picked up from the TK Maxx as well. This is the Shea Moisture Styling Cream. I picked this up as well. I'll show you guys that video. I'm going to use this on her own hair. I feel like this product works very good on her hair because she have more like a looser curls. Her curls is more looser, so this product works good on her own hair. So I'm just going to use this to moisturize the hair, give the hair extra moist, and then I'm just going to style the hair because we are going for a family trip. We are going to visit the museum. We're going to visit the museum, so I'm just going to do something very simple on the hair. So now that I have moisturized the hair is tangled, everything is combed out. I'm just going to pat the hair and I'm just going to style it very, very quickly, just not too puff at the side. Then that is what she wanted, something very simple. I'm just going to pat the hair all the way back and then just hold it with elastic, like that. And the hair feels really, really soft, guys. The hair felt so soft. I really like the way the hair feels really, really soft. So this is what you want, but at first I'm gonna get the other hair apart, and I'm going to do this one separately. I'm going to take a little bit more products because her hair sucks all the product out. Like her hair is very, very dry. So I'm going to take this styling gel cream from the Shea Moisture as well. I'm going to use this as a gel. I really like how this product look on her hair, because when I use it, it didn't leave the hair like dry, like very dry, like how normal gel will make your hair look like very, very dry. The hair was just very soft as well, very, very soft, very, very nice, even though it has a gel in it, but it doesn't feel like there was gel in it because it was very, very soft. And I really like the way the hair looks, and it gives the hair also a lot of shine, which I really like. So I'm just gonna take the brush and I'm just gonna brush the hair. I'm gonna take an elastic band and just hold everything at place. You guys can see the deep conditioner treatment, and with this gel makes the hair feel so soft and shiny. And I really like the way the gel looks on her hair. So now I'm just gonna brush everything because she wants like a really sleek pony. That is what she wanted. So you guys can see how shiny the hair is. So now I'm just going to take the elastic band and I'm just going to hold the hair into place, not too tight, because you don't want to tighten the hair so badly and then she's gonna get a headache because she have a really sensitive head. So I'm not gonna make it too tight. And now I'm just gonna take a little bit of the gel as well. I'm gonna put it at the pony just to loosen up the pony, to curl it a little bit more nicer. And I really like the way this one looks on her hair. The hair feels really, really soft. I'm just going in again with a wild tooth comb just to brush it to get rid of any tangles. But the hair is not tangled, but I just want to get rid of any tangle or knot that may be in there. So as you guys can see, the curls is popping. Like the curls is really popping. So now I'm going to do the other side of the hair very quickly so we can get out of the house. So yeah, I'm just gonna take the gel, and I really love how this product works for a work on her hair. I really, really like it. I'll be going more to the TJ Maxx to look for products. You guys can see the finished result. It looks really nice. I hope you all like this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. This is to get Amy Fullest. Peace out. Bye.